Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for a shortcut with a sun. As you can see, mine is over here. So when I click, it turned blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled. If you wish to disable it, hit the same shortcut again. You can also go into Devices settings, click on Display section and tap on Adaptive Brightness. Then click on this switcher next to Use Adaptive Brightness to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!